Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add contact on Twitter. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your X app. Then you come across this page. Then click on your profile icon or a person icon on the top left corner. Then you can go to setting and support. There you can see the option of setting and privacy. Click on it. Go to your account. Click on account information. Then after here you can see add phone number. Tap on it. You have to enter your password again to verify. After entering your password, click on next. Then choose your country. For now, I'll choose Nepal. Enter your number. Tap on next. Then they'll ask you verify phone number. Will be sent to your number. Then click on OK. Then they will send you your verification code to your phone number. Then enter the code. Then your number will be verified. Then after, click on verify. Then your number will be verified. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.